Some of you listen here carefully and say, what is this? Yes, this is a grapes, isn't it? Yes, and also this is green grapes, isn't it? And right, very good student, this is green grapes. And this is very short pencil, isn't it? This is pencil and this pencil is very short. So this is a short pencil. Short pencil. And this is, what is this? This is bangle, no? And this bangle is round in shape, isn't it? So the bangle is round in shape. Round shape, okay. And listen carefully. And here, and this is grapes. Not, this is grapes, but this is green grapes. This is green grapes. Some a new word, green. The green is describe the noun, isn't it? The green word describe the nouns. And this is pencil, but it is very short pencil, isn't it? This is pencil, but it is short pencil. The short. இந்த ஷார்ட்ங்கிறது வந்து எதை குறிக்குது? வெறுமனே நம்ம சொல்லாம இந்த ஷார்ட்ங்கிறது எதை இன்சிஸ்ட் பண்ணுது? பென்சில். இந்த பென்சில் வந்து சின்னதா இருக்கு. ஸோ ஷார்ட். And this is bangle, but this bangle is round shape. This round, this word describing the nouns. Describing the nouns. This word. So this is describing words. Okay. And listen here. And this is purse, isn't it? This is purse. And this purse is black in color. This purse is black in color, isn't it? Black in color. So this is black. This is black purse. No, this is black in color. Black purse also, isn't it? And this purse is black. So this word and this word is describing the nouns. Here, which is nouns? Yes. The purse is nouns, isn't it? The bangle is nouns. Pencil is noun. Grapes is nouns. This grapes, which one is in describing? The green is describing the noun. The short word is describing the noun. The round word is describing the noun. And the purse, sorry, the black word is describing the nouns, isn't it? And one more thing. This is knife, isn't it? I have sharp knife. Listen, I have a sharp knife. I have sharp knife. And listen. And this is mic. This is mic, isn't it? This is mic. So this mic is handy. This is a handy mic. And again, all of you see, I have a sharp knife. Here, sharp, the word describing the noun. The sharp word describing the knife. The knife is knife, but it is sharp means ரொம்ப கூர்மையான knife. And this is mic. This is handy mic. So handy. And that word is describing the noun, isn't it? All of you listen here. And this is a frog. And this frog is a long frog, isn't it? This frog is a long frog. And write the frog is long. And here the word long is describing the noun. So அதை குறிச்சு பெருமையா சொல்றது என்னது? எந்த வேர்ட் இதுல வந்து பெருமையா சொல்லக்கூடியது? Describing man means பெருமையா சொல்றது என்னது? That is long. Handy mic இதை வச்சு பெருமையா சொல்றது. This girl is beautiful. And his face is beautiful. His nose is beautiful. And beautiful. These are the describing words. Again, all of you see here, listen carefully. And this is a green grapes. Green is describing word. This describing word describe the nouns. Okay. And the short word is describing the noun pencil. And the round word is describing the noun of bangle. And the black describing the noun of purse. And the sharp describing the noun of knife. Handy describe the noun of mic. And long describing the noun of frog. So these long, handy, sharp, black, round, short, green, and these are the describing words. All of you say describing words. These are the describing words. Today we are going to study about describing words. So describing words means adjectives. All of you say adjectives. What is adjective? What is adjective? Some words describing the nouns. Some words describing the nouns. In Tamil வருணனை சொற்கள்னு படிச்சிருப்பீங்களா? யானைக்கு மிக நீளமான தந்தம் உண்டு. அப்போ அந்த நீண்ட நீளமான அப்படிங்கிறதா என்னது? அதுல வர்ணனை சொற்கள். அதே தான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல adjective. அதே தான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல adjective. So this is வர்ணனை சொல். எதை குறிச்சு சொல்லுது? அந்த noun குறிச்சு சொல்றதுனால this is adjective. So here which one is adjective? Green is the adjective. Here short is the adjective. Here describing word which is here which is describing word? Round. So round is the adjective. The purse is black in color. Here black is the describing word. So this is adjective. I have a sharp knife. And the sharp is the describing word. So sharp is adjective. And this is a handy mic. And handy is the describing word. So this is adjective. The frog is long. So this is long is the adjective. Okay. Students, all of you take down, yeah. Grammar book, Madhuban grammar book. Turn the page number 48. And this is describing words, isn't it? Already, what is describing words? Okay, some word describing the nouns, that is adjective. And look at the picture, fill in the blanks in the sentence given below the picture. Use the words given in the cloud. One has been done for you. And here some words are given, and you have to choose the correct word for this fill-ups. Okay. And first, it is raining. And first of all, read the answers: green, dark, wet, big, black, muddy, bright, pink, little, happy. Okay, already they given the sky is dark. Okay, first one is finished. And there are many dash clouds in the sky. And this cloud is, yes, is maybe green, no, wet, no. So muddy, bright, these are not, only black, isn't it? So black clouds. And the two girls are carrying dash colored umbrella. So these two girls are carrying colored umbrella. If it is big means, and here the girl very small than the having the small one than the this umbrella. So two girls are carrying bright umbrella, isn't it? Bright colored. And Ramita has dash umbrella, and Ritika has dash umbrella. And these umbrella indicate the colors. And here, and Ramita has green umbrella, and Ritika has pink umbrella. And you should write green, or here also you should write pink, or here green. That's your wish. Here pink, here green, likewise you should also write. And they like to jump in the dash puddles on the road. And puddles na sagadi. So they are in the little puddles. The puddles are filled with dash water, and always the puddles with the muddy water, isn't it? So muddy. A dash bus goes past and splashes water on them. Yes, one big, isn't it? One big bus. And Ramita and Ritika totally dash. ரெண்டு பேருமே நனைஞ்சிட்டாங்க, totally wet. But they are only one is rest, that is happy. They are happy. Okay. And then on the next page 49, choose the adjectives from the sentences given below and write them. One has been done for you. And Sia is a good girl, and here good is the adjective word. And Asoka was a wise king. Here wise is the adjective, isn't it? And one more thing you should remember, and always adjective near the second verb, second noun. Okay. And I have sharp knife. Here I is also noun and knife is also noun. And before the noun, and here one word is coming, that is describing word, that is adjective, sharp. And first two only I am writing, and the rest of the sentences you should write. The coconut tree is very tall. Here tall is the adjective, isn't it? The fat boy is eating an ice cream. Here ice cream, eating is the verb. Fat boy, not at all, they are not saying the boy, they are saying fat boy. So the fat is the describing word, so this is an adjective. I have put 4 candles on my cake. So here I have put only candles, and here they say 4 candles. So the candles describing by the word of 4. That big ball belongs to Rameza. And here the ball describing the ball noun describing by the word of big, isn't it? And this book is very thin. I am only underlined, but you should write the tall here and the fat in the dash. Okay. This book is very thin. Here thin is the very describing word and also noun adjective. This is a pretty doll. Here noun, doll is the noun, and the noun describing by the word of pretty. I have a small pencil. Here small is the adjective, isn't it? And you should write in the, take out and write in the dash. And next, all of you turn the next page. Here one picture is there and many words are there. Okay, and you have to choose which are the words are adjective words. Here only one is done, that is here tall. Okay, first of all see these, what are the words are given. Line, dropping, tall, book, loft, you, wet, eye, thin, king, short, fat, pretty, pigged, jug. Okay, lion is the noun, isn't it? That is not a adjective. Dropping, verb. Tall is the noun, adjective. They already written in. And book is the noun. Book is the noun. And loved is the verb. And next, and wet here, and wet is also one adjective, isn't it? And next, you use the noun, and short is also noun adjective, and fat it also adjective, king noun, and thin adjective, pretty also adjective, pigged jug. So this is now verb and this is noun, isn't it? And you should take out these words and write in the dash. Okay, and thin, pretty, fat, short, wet, and you should write. Okay. And next one. And here one poem is there. You should underline what are the adjective, what are the describing words are there. You should find out and underline it. Okay. And I'm a robin, very brown. So here, very brown. I'm big and plump and smooth and round. And these are the words are describing words, isn't it? Big, plump, smooth and round. My breast is pretty, bright and red. These also adjective words. And see this top knot on my head. And this is okay. Here no adjective. And glad to see little bird. Yes, here little is the adjective. It was your little chirp I heard. So again little. What did you intend to say? Give me something this cold day. And here cold is the adjective. That's your breakfast, eat away. Come to see me every day. So these are the adjectives. You should underline these adjective words. Okay. Then and at last one picture is there. You should color it neatly. Here not colored neatly, but you should color neatly. Okay. Students, this is your assignment to today's assignment card, page number 48 and 49, 50, 51. Okay students, and this is your today's assignment work, and write neatly. Thank you for watching.